can qualify for, and how do you request that your immigration case be expedited. Okay, so immigration has the ability to move you to the front of the line in an immigration case. Say, for example, you have the I-130 case that's taking between a year to a year and a half, more or less, and your spouse is pregnant, or you have a serious medical condition that you need to get a surgery done abroad, things like that. So basically, there's the three different main ways you can do it. So you can qualify for the request for expedite: a severe financial loss, urgency due to humanitarian concerns, okay? And the third one would be the government messed up, okay? Now there's some other as well, national interest, non-profit organization. A lot of those don't really apply to most people, but if you believe you qualify, you have a severe financial loss to your business, it's failing without you, because you can't travel, or an urgent humanitarian reason, right? So usually it's medical, but it could be, that a family member they themselves are very sick and that you need to go help them, things like that. You can request that your case be expedited. And there's a few different ways to do the request, but it's a formal request where you ask the government to move your case up, so that instead of deciding your case in 18 months, they could decide it in 2 months or a month, right? It usually takes 30 to 45 days-ish for the government to make a decision on these cases, but they could decide sooner, okay? Now, there's a couple different ways to do it. You can call the 1-800 number, or you could contact the government through your USCIS account, through the secure messaging button, and add all of the evidence together in a package, okay? And also, you need to have strong evidence to support whatever request that you're making, all right? Now, if you're doing it on the phone, you have to be able to articulate to the government how you qualify, or how your client qualifies for the urgent humanitarian request or the severe financial loss, whatever category that you are claiming that they qualify for. So it's really important that you have everything documented, and you can also explain to the government, explain to the officer how you qualify. So